Hi guys, I'm really excited because I just received this set of dining chairs for viewing purposes. So let's open it up. First thing we see is it comes with all the screws that you need to assemble it, and even with the tools, okay? You get two sets because it's a set of two, okay? They come really well protected with foam, cardboard, and everything, okay? The seat comes in this kind of bags, and as you can see, it has this really beautiful design that it's really soft, and they feel amazingly cushioned, okay? And in these other bags, they come the backrest, okay? They have also that really cushioned design that I think it's really beautiful, okay? That white color, it's amazing. And also the pieces of the legs in the backrest are really cushioned, okay? Which I think is excellent. So let's go ahead and start assembling it, and let's see how they look, okay? Come on.
Okay guys, so as you can see, the installation process is actually really easy. It doesn't take that much long, and the instructions are really clear. And I like these chairs because they have a more minimalist design that is perfect for anywhere you want to place it. In the bottom seat, it has some high quality soft foam that doesn't deforms easily, which I think is really nice, and it makes it a little bit more comfortable. And the sturdy metal frame can provide a nice support, and it's really sturdy, so it can get a lot of weight.
Okay guys, as you can see, they are already assembled, and I think they look amazing. They have this four-leg design that obviously, as I've said, it's amazing, and I like a lot how it looks. It has a nice contrast, the white cushions with the black design of the metal structure, which I think it's great. And they're really comfortable. They have a nice rest, okay, and the back support, it's really nice. You can see it really straight, and I think it's great. They were really easy to assemble, as you can see. They are perfect for anywhere you want to place them, your dining room, in your living room, wherever you need them. I think they're going to do an amazing work, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.